Today in this tutorial we learn how to use find and replace ribbon tab in Microsoft Word document. So sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Where see we open a Microsoft Word document, we want to use ribbon tab in find and replace. We are typing some document line. We want to find any word. Suppose we want to find you. How many time in use in this document? We click find ribbon tab and we are find in right navigation plan and type U. We are see 25 time we use U. It is highlight. We are see this. In this same way we want to replace U. We click this replace tab and find and replace window. In this window we want to replace I am. We replace all. The Microsoft Word notice that all done. We made replace 25 replacement and another we find you. No, you are see this. So if this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel, keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much.